Hi everyone, it's Andrea with Finish Friday, and today I'm going to show you how to add text to an image using Paint. Paint is a program that comes on almost every PC, and you can find it when you come down to your Start menu and your Programs. It's under your Accessories, and it's right here. It just says Paint with a little paintbrush. Now, I am using Windows 7, and so some things may look a little bit different if you're using Windows Vista or an older version. But the steps will all be the same, and I'll try to translate it to the older versions as I'm doing this. The first thing I need to do, you can see that Paint opens with a blank project. So I need to open the image that I want to edit, and I do that. On the older versions, you would just click the File drop-down menu and click Open. And I'm already in the folder where my photo is that I want to edit. You just browse to wherever the photo is and you select it and click Open. And then it opens. A little quirky thing about Paint is it opens pictures really, really big. So I'm going to go to View and I'm going to zoom out. Just tap that a couple of times to zoom out so that I can see what I'm working with and it doesn't look quite as scary. And you can see why I did not use this picture on my blog, because it's really, really blurry and it didn't look very good, but it works for our test. Now I'm going to choose my Insert Text feature, and on older versions of Windows this is probably under the Edit. It might be under Insert or it might be under Format. So you'll just have to look until you find this little icon that's the letter A and it says Insert Text into the picture. And when you tap it, then you get this, that your cursor will change to the add text thing. You know, when you're going to be typing, it changes to look different. And you just click where you want your text to be and it will generate the text box for you. Then I'm going to come up here and you can see I have a font selected because I have PC Stitch installed on my computer. I have system fonts that allow me to use things that kind of look like cross-stitched letters, and so I like to use that for my pictures because it fits the theme of my blog. But you can use any font you want. You can choose any of your system fonts. It should be available in here. You can just change it to whatever you want it to be. You can change the size of your font as well. The default size is pretty small, so you may want to move it up to into the 40s to make it show up. If you want to do any basic text edits, you can do that as well with the bold or italic. And then you choose the color of your font. And I think on this purple background, I think the gold will show up the best. So I'm going to just click that gold and then click into my text box, and then I can type the text that I want to use. Now, because I am posting pictures on the internet and I'm expecting people to see them and maybe they'll get passed around on Pinterest or other social networks, I like to use the URL of my website so that people know where the picture came from and they can find my site again. I can move the text box. You can see it's kind of pale back there. It's kind of hard to see all of it. So I can move the box up so that the words show up a little bit better. This is also helpful if you have an image you really want people to see. You can move the words out of the way, maybe to a blank section of the fabric, so that the whole image can be seen. And then there you go. Now if somebody wants to know where did this blurry picture of a scarf come from, there it is. They can put my address into their browser bar and they can go visit my blog. So there you go. That's how you add text to an image using Paint. And you can see it's pretty simple, and this is a program that almost every PC has, so it should be something that you can do without any special software or anything. All right? Thanks so much. If you have a finish you want to submit to Finish Friday, be sure to click the Get Featured button. There it is right there. You can click that and fill out the form to get yourself featured. All right, I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.